Yes, hello. I'm John Gladys, Chief Engineer of Orbitech Satellite Services, and I'm here with Doug from Technicolor to explain to you the features of a brand new product that will take care of all your needs for any sports bar or major entertainment venue. So why don't you, Doug, explain to everyone what we have here?
Sure, John. Thank you very much. So this product is called MediaTune, and it works with the COM2000 satellite distribution system and allows us to have a very few tuners that are able to be distributed and controlled with a larger number of TVs. So this system will compete with existing matrix switches where you may have one or two receiver boxes and a large number of TVs, 30, 40, 50, even up to 70, 80 TVs we can manage. So the way the system works is that every TV is essentially a QAM channel that is broadcasted from the COM2000 system, and then we have the availability of all the channels in the DirecTV lineup that you're authorized for. We can control those channels and then place those on whatever TV you want to. So, for instance, I have a CNN. I want to play CNN. I can pick up CNN, drag it over to TV1, and my TV1 will then change the programming from what it was playing to ESPN to a CNN channel. So the system allows me to have as many TVs as I can, or I need, on the output, and these are all individual QAM channels. Those individual QAM channels then you can specify the input that you want, and then just click and drag and place it over. So I can also take existing content, navigate it over to, like, let's say I have ESPNU here, and I want to take ESPNU and drop it on that channel as well. I can pick up ESPNU and drop it on TV1, and TV1 will change as well. Hopefully TV1's the easiest video that you can grab. The system also manages external content. So I can have digital signage or whatever I have that I want to display on the TV. In this example, I have a PowerPoint presentation. We save the file as a MPEG video, and if I push external and hopefully my network reacts enough, I can have as many external inputs that I need on the system, and then use that channel to then drag over and put on whatever TV. So now TV1 and TV2 will be playing my digital signage that I've created. Again, endless possibilities in the amount of external content. It could be your own digital signage. It could be an IP camera. It could be an external cable box that you've decided to encode and then transfer via IP to the system.
What about the off-air antenna in case we have an outage due to rain fade?
Correct. We also can control an HD home run, which is a small little off-air IP antenna system. So I can hook up an antenna, and then the MediaTune system will be able to find that off-air content. And then if I do have a rain fade event or sometime when my DirecTV channels are down, I can use and select one of the off-air stations, control the external ATSC tuner, and then bring that content into and manage that content through the MediaTune system. So it's all
done through an iPad app.
All done through a web interface. So
right.
This is a simple Safari web browser that's pointed to an IP address that the system resides on. So you can have as many of these within your system. It's not an application, it's just a simple web browser. So any click and drag.
Multiple iPads in the facility.
Correct. You can walk around with an iPad. You can have a stationary iPad that everybody knows to go to, and you can even have a PC in the office that is set to control and manage it. So the way we usually see this is that the restaurant may have one control center that has the master controls for everything, but then they have mobile control points that they can bring around and actually go up to guests. The server could ask them what channel they want to be watching on the TV that's right above them, make the change right in front of their right as they're dining, and improve the customer experience.
Now, what about the cost advantages over having single receivers per channel, a bunch of satellite switches to accommodate those
Yep.
receivers.
So we've done a lot of cost comparisons versus a traditional matrix switch. We're about a third to a quarter of the cost of a traditional matrix switch for a similar setup. We're a little less, about half expensive than a fixed channel transcoded solution. The advantages we get on the MediaTune is we have the ability to have all the channels available to us within the DirecTV program. So you're not fixing a set number of channels and then having to go to each TV to change the channel lineup. You have complete control of bringing any DirecTV content that you want from to the tuner to your desired output. So we can control the tuners, and we can control the source or the TV and where that source is playing.
In addition, right, you can also do Sonic Tap, so you can provide their music.
Sure, yeah, music is just one of the services, so I can scroll down. I need to be on DirecTV to scroll down, so I flip over to DirecTV, and then all my Sonic Tap channels are over here. I can play, my jazz channel, pick it up, play that on TV1. If I had that TV assigned to my amplification system, then I'm now broadcasting the Sonic Tap jazz station
through our internal
through the internal speaker
audio
system.
amplification.
So,
correct.
and that's how we do it there. So we can manage all DirecTV channels, any source to any output. There's essentially limitless outputs, about 70 to 80. Is what we see as the kind of maximum range. We haven't yet run into bars that have that many TVs, but there will be some, and also we can manage 4K content. So if there is higher resolution, or DirecTV starts transitioning programming and allowing ESPN 4K. If you bought a 4K TV, our system would just be able to grab the 4K channel, and as long as the TV was set up as a 4K TV and display, we would manage that content and bring that content over. So it is a system that is 4K capable.
So basically, the system is future-proof.
Correct.
The future has already been thought out. It's also available that we can retrofit even the existing facilities that might have analog or receivers behind each TV. So it's a very simple installation. Time-wise, average install is about...
So depending on the number of TVs, the installation is simple in the fact that it's a loop-through wire coax.
Correct.
So you don't have to pull home runs. There's not a single drop for every TV. It can be one cable that's kind of looped around, and then every TV is a drop off of that loop-through. So it's a very simple RF installation to save time and money in setting the system up. And then
would you say about an average one-day install up and running?
Correct. Yeah, I'd say in the installation that I did, I had about 24, 25 TVs, and we did it in 3.5 hours to rewire the entire property.
So Doug, why don't you tell me about the resolution of your product? I know that we can handle 4K. Now, what about 1080, 720p versus other competitors that are transcoding or doing some other things where their video results with pixelation periodically?
Correct.
Or artifacts?
Correct. So all of the signal that we pass along to the TVs is directly off the DirecTV broadcast. So we're not changing or down-resing or tuning or decoding the video at all. It is the exact same video, the HD quality, 1080p, 1080i, whatever DirecTV is broadcasting, you get that broadcast quality, true HD resolution, all the way to the TV set for the truest, highest resolution HD that you could possibly get from any system within a bar or restaurant.
And also, Technicolor is the innovator in this product, correct?
Correct. Technicolor is the only solution provider that has anything like this in the market. We're unique in that we're the only receiver from DirecTV that allows for IP distribution. This is an IP control system, so we're very unique, and this product has a couple patents. And
we're American made.
Yep, we're American made. We're manufactured in Logansport, Indiana. Software and design is supported out of Indianapolis. So we're available and would love to get the product into several new bar locations.
So for more information on this product, you can call us directly or just send us an email from anything you see here directly on our website. Thank you for your attention.